Ano ba?
Papa na lang.
Oh, sige, okay. Also to your papa and who else?
Randy.
What? You're saying hello to what? To whom? Saan ka ba pupunta? Ha? Saan ka ba pupunta? Ba't nakabihis ka?
Sino yun?
Ikaw ngayon, tinatanong kita. I'm asking you, where are you going? Ha? Are you going anywhere?
Tayo tiklop mo.
You say hello to your papa. Say hello to your papa. Papa? You know why I'm waving at you? Because I want you to buy me what? Chocolate. Masisira yan. Masisira yung computer natin. Do you want to... Pag nasira mo yan, we will have no more computer. You will not be able to talk to your papa.
O, pagdating ng Tintarande.
You say that pagdating ni Tito Randy, your Tito Randy will buy one for you? Is that what you're saying?
Sabihin mo sa Tito Randy, bilhin mo ako ng computer na maliit. Meron pang bata niya computer.
Yun, ano yung
Laptop.
ventilator na maliit?
Laptop na maliit, pang bata ka.
Yung ano,
What?
yung ventilador na maliit para sa akin lang.
Maybe why?
Tingnan mo kung ganun.
You don't need your papa and you don't need your Tito Randy to buy it for you. I will buy one for you. This big? Bigger? Bigger than this? This big? Okay. Say hello to your papa again.
Hi.
You can tell your papa how much you love him. Do you really love your papa? Who do you love more? Your papa or your tatay? Your tatay, huh? I know you love your
Papa
tatay.
sa tatay.
No. do not cover the microphone. Who do you love more?
Papa sa tatay.
No, tatay only. Only tatay. Who do you love between Randy and your papa? Okay, you tell it to me. The truth. The truth. Who do you love more? Your papa or your tatay?
Papa o Tito Randy?
Or your Tito Randy? Papa, Tito Randy, and your tatay. Who? You can whisper it to me if you are shy. Who? Open your mouth.
Ang taba, oh.
Who do you love? Tatay, Papa, or Tito Randy? Say it now. Ha?
Paganda pa lang. Paganda mo yung mata mo. Tilang mo. Paganda mo yung mata. Tilang mo, dali.
Ang bigat nito talaga eh.
Ang bigat nga.
Ano na siya eh. Kasing bigat na ni mo.
Paganda yung mata. Dali mo. Ay, kumangit.
Who do you love? Papa, nanay, or
Ano
tatay?
ba gasalita? Lala.
Why don't you answer me? Why don't you say, I know, love na love mo ko. alam ko, mas love mo ko kaysa kay Papa. Oh. If you do not answer, that means that is true, that you love me more than your Papa and your Tito Randy. If you do not answer that, that means it is true. Mas love mo ako kaysa kay Papa. O, tamo? Sabi mo nga, ganon? Pangit. Pangit. Come on, you stop it now. Let's exit.